We need to do something about our courts of law. We need environmental courts of law that understands the predicaments around forests, and the cases are not delayed. Meanwhile, the grabbers go on to destroy it up to the end. Hopeless people go on trying even to get land titles in the middle of the forest. This is my land. And we are aware with the corruption, the cancer of corruption in this country has eaten us to the bone marrow. The officers who really issue such titles, and that's why I said we need to engage it even at a police level, must be brought to book. People sit in offices, they bribed, and then they issue titles.
There is one title from a chairman, let's say 3 of Kaboye, then the chairman, let's say 3 of Changwali, and then there is a title for the kingdom. That one, you are aware where we have been, 5,000 hectares. So those are the titles which has come to our notice. And we are in court. For all those titles, we are in court.